Frying food can be a daunting task, especially when you're trying to achieve that perfect crispiness without compromising on safety or convenience. Enter the ROVSUN 22.8 quart electric deep fryer with 2 baskets and lids, a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to bring commercial quality frying to your home. With its impressive 22.8 quart capacity, dual tanks, and powerful 5,000 watts heating element, this deep fryer aims to meet all your frying needs efficiently and effectively. Upon unboxing the ROVSUN electric deep fryer, you immediately notice its robust build and sleek stainless steel finish. The fryer comes with 2 large baskets, each with its own lid, and a detachable oil tank with handles for easy removal and cleaning. The user manual is clear and straightforward, providing detailed instructions on setup, operation, and maintenance. The dual tank design and separate controls for each side are particularly appealing, promising versatility and efficiency right from the start. The ROVSUN electric deep fryer boasts a durable stainless steel construction that not only looks professional, but is also built to withstand heavy use. The thickened tanks are designed for durability, ensuring that the fryer can handle high-volume frying without wear and tear. The U-shaped stainless steel heating tubes ensure even heat distribution, a crucial factor for achieving consistently crispy and delicious results. Key features. One of the standout features of the ROVSUN electric deep fryer is its dual tank design, which allows you to fry different foods simultaneously at different temperatures. Each tank has its own power plug and temperature control knob, providing maximum flexibility and efficiency. This feature is particularly useful for preparing large meals or catering to different dietary preferences without cross-contamination. With a total capacity of 22.8 quarts, 21.6 liters, the ROVSUN deep fryer can handle large batches of food with ease. Each basket can hold up to 4.2 quarts, 4 liters of food, making it ideal for preparing family-sized portions or catering to parties and gatherings. The generous capacity ensures that you can fry enough food in one go, saving time and effort. The 5,000 watts heating element is designed to heat the oil quickly and maintain a consistent temperature throughout the frying process. The temperature range of 60 degrees to 200 degrees, 140 degrees to 3392 degrees, allows you to fry a wide variety of foods, from delicate pastries to hearty meats. The temperature indicator light clearly displays when the fryer is heating the oil, taking the guesswork out of frying. Safety is a top priority when dealing with hot oil, and the ROVSUN deep fryer includes several features to ensure safe operation. The lids prevent oil splashes, while the fryer baskets are equipped with plastic handles to prevent scalding. Cleaning a deep fryer can be a tedious task, but the ROVSUN electric deep fryer is designed to make it as easy as possible. The detachable oil tank and fryer control with heating element can be easily removed for thorough cleaning. The stainless steel construction is resistant to stains and easy to wipe down. Just remember to remove the protective white films on the surface before use to keep your fryer in pristine condition. The powerful 5,000 watts heating element and precise temperature control ensure that the ROVSUN deep fryer delivers consistent cooking results every time. The oil heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature, allowing you to achieve perfectly crispy and golden brown foods. Whether you're frying French fries, chicken wings, or donuts, this fryer ensures that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. The dual tank design and adjustable temperature settings make this fryer incredibly versatile. You can fry a wide range of foods, from appetizers to main courses and desserts, without worrying about cross-contamination or flavor transfer. The large capacity baskets and efficient heating element make it easy to prepare meals for large gatherings or family dinners. The ROVSUN deep fryer's user-friendly design makes it accessible to both novice and experienced cooks. The intuitive temperature control knobs, temperature indicator lights, and dual tank setup provide a seamless frying experience. The cool touch handles and stable base add an extra layer of safety, making this fryer a reliable choice for any kitchen. Considering its powerful performance, large capacity, and user-friendly features, the ROVSUN 22.8 quart electric deep fryer offers excellent value for money. It brings the quality and efficiency of a commercial fryer into your home kitchen, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys fried foods. The durable construction and thoughtful design features ensure that this fryer will serve you well for years to come. In conclusion, the ROVSUN 22.8 quart electric deep fryer with 2 baskets and lids is a reliable, efficient, and versatile kitchen appliance that makes frying at home a breeze. Its powerful heating element, large capacity, and easy-to-clean design make it a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or new to frying, this deep fryer offers a convenient way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the hassle and mess of traditional stovetop frying. If you're looking to elevate your home cooking experience with a versatile and efficient deep fryer, the ROVSUN electric deep fryer is definitely worth considering. Its combination of performance, safety, and convenience makes it a standout choice in the market. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.